This is Gentle Yoga with Jan. I'm Jan, and I'm excited to bring you into my home and share with you yoga. So some of you may be new to yoga, maybe never practiced before, don't know what it even is. Some of you maybe have been practicing for many years. My intention for this station in this channel is to bring you yoga and movement in a way that is pain-free, supportive for your joints, and that it will make you feel wonderful. So the fact that you've found or are watching this video, perhaps you are looking for a way to practice yoga, move your body, exercise in a way that is a little more gentle. All of us are experiencing different things in our bodies, and we have to do things perhaps a little differently. But there are still ways to be able to practice yoga, move your body in a way that is effective and that'll help you make you feel better. And that's what I'm all about, is showing you ways to do that. Since I've had to do that myself, and I see so many people out there who are wanting to move and exercise, but a lot of these classes are just not available. They are just not doable for some of us. We don't have the energy, we don't have the range of motion, we don't have the flexibility. And yoga is not about flexibility. It's about moving your body in a way that feels good, and eventually you will be, that the flexibility is a side effect. In the upcoming classes, I'm going to take the basic poses, break them down, show you how to modify, show you how to do them maybe differently than you have before, in ways that will support instead of break down the body. So watch for those, gather all your goods, and we'll see you in the next class.